Hi everyone, Amanda here at Jensen's Deep Run community in Cream Ridge, New Jersey. And today is a very busy Friday. It is September 8th, 2017, and we are pouring the concrete slab at our brand new lot at 19 Longview Trail. You can see right here we've got all our guys out spreading the concrete. Yesterday we were busy putting the forms down. This is going to be a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2 full bath home. It is already sold. This is a custom order. So this is a very exciting day for us in the community and also for our brand new resident who is going to be moving in November. So let's get a closer look at this. I'm going to walk on up and we'll look a little bit closer at what we have going on right here. All right, so we have our contractor, Steve Emmons. We also have our grounds foreman and our maintenance worker, Mark, as well. The Jensen team here. Everybody's working hard together, getting this done, making sure that this slab is poured perfectly, nice and smooth and even. It's going to look so fantastic once it's finished. It's a great day to pour concrete. It's about 70 degrees, sunny, no humidity, slight breeze. It's beautiful out. They are doing such a great job. This is going to look so good when it's finished. This is always a really big event in the community when we're doing concrete like this. We're upgrading the community. We get a lot of attention from all the residents who live here. It's a really big day for everyone, including the new resident who's going to be living here. But it's always a great event. The surrounding residents who live in the homes next door, they're outside watching, checking everything out. How great does that look? Perfect. All right, I will check back in once we're a little bit farther along. They are just about halfway done. So the concrete actually arrived about 30 minutes ago, maybe 45 minutes ago at the latest, and they're just about halfway done here. So I will check back in a little bit later, and I am excited to show you guys the finished product once it's done.